encountered a very weird problem, and this is a question. Probably I don't know if anyone will answer it. When I do this, I bring the connections here. It lights up, right? Now look, when I spread them far apart, yet there's a whole connection here. Does that mean a breadboard can get broken? Like, does the metal behind this get loose or something? Is there no connection here? Sorry, here, but here it works. It works. Wait for it. It works, but when I take it here, it doesn't. Weird.